Namaste children. In this session number 55, we are going to discuss brain teasers, second main, 9th and 10th part, third main, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th, 8th and 9th main in this session children under the chapter algebraic expression. Children, question number 2 we had solved already from second main 7 parts. Now we have 9th part, that is we have to find the products 0.7 x cube minus 0.5 y cube into 0.7 x cube plus 0.5 y cube. Here the two binomials has to be multiplied, first term into second bracket and the second term into second bracket. 0.7 x cube into 0.7 x cube plus 0.5 y cube second bracket minus 0.5 y cube into the second bracket again. Now we have to multiply monomial with the binomial, outside term with first term plus outside term with the second term. 0.7 into 0.7 we get 0.49. X to the power of 3 into x to the power of 3 is x to the power of 6. Bases are same, add the powers. Plus 0.7 into 0.5 is 0.35. X cube into y cube is x cube y cube. Now we have outside minus sign. Minus into plus is minus. 0.5 into 0.7 is again 0.35. X cube into y cube. Minus into plus is minus. 0.5 into 0.5 is 0.25 y to the power of 6. So here these two terms get cancelled because they are same like terms but with the negative sign. 0.49 x to the power of 6 minus 0.25 y to the power of 6 is the final answer. 10th part is 64a square minus 56ab plus 49b square into 8a plus 7b. Here we are writing first the binomial, then the trinomial. We know how to multiply binomial with the trinomial. First term into the second bracket, again plus second term into second bracket. When we multiply again we get monomial with the trinomial. 64 into 8 is 512, a into a square a cube minus 56 into 8 is 448, a into a square b as it is, plus 849 into 8 is 392 a b square. Then in the next term 7b into 64 a square. 64 into 7 will be 448 a square into b, plus into minus minus. 56 into 7 is 392 a b into b is b square. Now you have 49 into 7 which is 343, b square into b is b cube. All the terms like minus 448 and plus 448 get cancelled. 392 and minus 392 get cancelled because they are having like terms. You are left with 512 a cube plus 343 b cube. So the next question is third main, find the variable part in the product of. Here you are given the three monomials. We don't need to find the product of the constants children. We don't need to multiply the numbers. We are going to directly multiply only the variables because the question is we have to find only the variable part, the product of the variable part. So I consider only the variable part, that is x cube into 9 y to the power of 9 into x to the power of 6 y to the power of 5 into y square into z to the power of 4. We know how to multiply the variable part, x cube, x to the power of 6 and we don't have any x term. 3 plus 6 is 9. Next coming to y variable, y to the power of 9, y to the power of 5, y to the power of 2. Total we get y to the power of 16, z to the power of 4, only 1 is left. So x to the power of 9, y to the power of 16, z to the power of 4 is the variable part. Now we have second one, that is 61 divided by 17 a square b to the power of 4, 97 by 43 b to the power of 3, 29 by 41 a to the power of 6 to b, and 111 by 123. Here, since we have to find only the variable part, I consider only the variable part a square b to the power of 4, b to the power of 3, a to the power of 6 into b. In this we don't have any variable part, so leave it. Now only multiply a term. A to the power of 2 into a to the power of 6 is a to the power of 8. B to the power of 4, b to the power of 3 into b to the power of 1 will be b to the power of 8. Therefore, the variable part is a to the power of 8 into b to the power of 8. Question number 4. Express the three monomials as a monomial. That is, we are given the three terms which are monomial. We have to multiply and then we have to evaluate it for x value is 1 and y value is 2. Here, if we consider the monomials, we know how to multiply the three monomials. 5 into 12 into 3 by 20 into x to the power of 6 into x to the power of 2 into x to the power of 1 into y to the power of 2. When bases are same, we should add the powers here. Now here we can cancel. Since 5 is in the numerator, 12 is in the numerator, 20 is in the denominator. 5 ones are 5 fours are, 4 ones are 4 threes are. 3 threes are will be 9, x to the power of 9, y to the power of 3. Then we have to evaluate for the value x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. We have to consider only the answer what we get here to evaluate. 9 into x to the power of 9, y to the power of 3 is equal to 9 into value of x is 1, value of y is 2. In place of x I substitute 1, in place of y I substitute 2, the power will be as it is. 1 to the power of 9 is 1 again, 2 to the power of 3 means 2 is multiplied 3 times, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 9 8s are 72. Question number 5. Express 1.5 a square into 10 ab minus 4b square as a binomial and then evaluate it for a value a is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to 3. Same as the fourth part here, but we have monomial with the binomial. First term into first term in the bracket minus second term into second term in the bracket. I am going to multiply directly, children. 1.5 into 10 will be 15, a to the power of 3 into b minus 1.5 into 4 will be 15 4s are 60, but in 60 after decimal point we should have only one digit, so answer is 6. A square into b square. We have got the product, we have to evaluate. Evaluating, we are substituting the value of a and b as minus 2 and 3. 15 into minus 2 multiplied 3 times is minus 8 into 3 minus, use the brackets here, 6 into minus 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 3 square is 9. Now plus into minus is minus, 15 into 8 into 3 is minus 360 minus 6 into 4 into 9 will be minus 216. When we have the same sign, we have to add, we get the minus 576, children. Now question number 6. Simplify and then verify the result for the given values. We have to simplify, only simplify first and then verify the result for the given values here. Consider 3x into the binomial minus 4y into the second bracket. We get 3x into 4x square y is 12x cube y plus 3 3s are 9 x to the power of 2 into y square minus 4 4s are 16 x square y square plus into minus is minus 4 3s are 12 x y cube. Here find out any like terms you have. We have plus 9x square y square and minus 16 x square y square. Minus 16 plus 9 will be minus 7 x square y square. Other terms are written as it is. Verify for the values. In place of x we have to substitute 2 and in place of y minus 1. First LHS 3 into 2 minus 4 into minus 1. Here 4 into x to the power x is 2. 2 to the power of 2, y is minus 1. 3 into x is 2, y is minus 1 to the power of 2. Remove the powers, children. First, here in the first bracket, 3 2s are 6 plus minus into minus will be plus, 4 1s are 4. In the second bracket, next bracket, 4 as it is, 2 square is 4 into minus 1 as it is, close the bracket, plus 3 into 2 into minus 1 2 times is 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Then 6 plus 4 is 10 into plus into minus is minus, 4 4s are 16 plus 3 2s are 6. Minus 16 plus 6 will be minus 10. Minus 10 into 10 will be minus 100. Consider RHS. The answer after we get simplified is called as RHS. Here in place of x we have to substitute 2. In place of y minus 1. We get 12 into 2 to the power of 3 is 8 minus 1 as it is, minus 7 into 2 square is 4 into 1 minus 12 into 2 into minus 1 multiplied 3 times will be minus 1. Use the brackets because we have minus sign. 12 8s are 96 minus as it is, minus into plus is minus, 7 4s are 28, minus sign as it is. Sorry children, minus into minus will be plus, 12 2s are 24. Here subtract these two or you can add these two because they have same sign, and then we are going to add with plus 24 minus, or else you can do one more thing is we can keep minus 96 as it is, plus minus 28 plus 24 we can subtract here because one is plus and one is minus. Minus 28 plus 24 will be minus 4. We have to subtract and keep the bigger number sign. Minus 96 minus 4 will be minus 100. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, we have verified. Question number 2. 1 by 4 into a square plus 5 by 9 b square. Binomial into the trinomial. First term into second bracket plus second term into second bracket. We have monomial and a trinomial. Monomial outside term with each inside term. Monomial with first term plus monomial with second term plus monomial with third term. The same way here, monomial with the first term, second term and third term. Now, if we are having any like terms, we are going to add, otherwise keep it as it is. Consider LHS and substitute the value of A and B. A is 2 and B is 3 here. 1 by 4, 2 square is 4. 5 by 9, B is 3. 3 square is 9 again. Then 2 plus 3 because A is 2 and B is 3. A into B, 2 3s are 6. Here 4 ones are 4 ones are get cancelled. 9 ones are 9 ones are get cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 1 into 1 is 1 plus 5 ones are 5 into 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 into 5 plus 1 is 6. 11 6 are 66 in LHS. Consider this complete expression as RHS. In place of A we have to substitute 2. In place of B 3. First we have to remove all the powers here. 1 by 4. 2 cube is 8. 1 by 4. 2 square is 4 into 3. 1 by 4. 2 cube is 8 into 3 plus 5 by 9. 2 as it is. 3 square is 9. 5 by 9. 3 cube is 27 plus 5 by 9 into 2. 3 cube is 27. Here if you have any cancellation you can cancel. 4 ones are 4 twos are. 4 ones are 4 ones are. 4 ones are 4 twos are. 9 ones are 9 ones are. 9 ones are 9 threes are. 9 ones are 9 threes are once again. Here 2 ones are 2. 3 ones are 3. 2 threes are 6. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, and 5 2s are 10 into 3 is 30. Added all together, we get again 66. LHS is equal to RHS, hence we have verified. Next is question number 3. X cube into y minus y square. Binomial with binomial, children. We have to first simplify and then substitute the value of x and y here. First term into second bracket minus second term into second bracket. X cube into y, x to the power of 6 into y square we get here, into x cube into y we get x to the power of 6 into y to the power of 2. X cube into y square is x cube y to the power of 3 minus y cube into x cube y is x cube y to the power of 3 minus into plus is minus y to the power of 4. These two terms get cancelled. You are left with x to the power of 6 y square minus y to the power of 4. Consider LHS, children. In place of x and y, minus 1 and minus 2. So minus 1 to the power of 3 into minus 2 minus minus 2 whole square. Minus 1 whole cube into minus 2 plus minus 2 whole square. Now remove the powers. Minus 1 multiplied 3 times is minus 1 into minus 2 minus minus 2 square is 4. In the next bracket, minus 1 multiplied 3 times is minus 1 here into minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 square is 4, because minus 2 multiplied 2 times will be plus 4, children. Next, minus 1 into minus 2 is 2. 2 ones are 2, then minus 4 as it is. Minus 1 into minus 2 is again 2 plus 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. Plus into minus is minus. 6 2s are 12. Consider RHS. Place of x we have to substitute minus 1 and y minus 2. Minus 1 multiplied 6 times is plus 1, children, because here we have even number for the negative sign. So it becomes plus 1. Minus 2 to the power of 2 is again plus 4. Then minus 2 to the power of 4. So minus 2 has to be multiplied 4 times. Minus multiplied 4 times is plus, because even number times we are going to multiply minus. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 16 is the answer. Then we have 4 1s are 4 minus 16 is minus 12. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence we have verified. Fourth one, 2p plus 3p into the trinomial, and we have to verify the values for p and q. First term into second bracket plus second term into second bracket. After we multiply with monomial and trinomial, we get 8p cube plus 24p square q, and then 9 2s are 18 pq square plus 3 4s are 12 p square, or p 4 3s are 12 p cube, children. Here 12 p cube must be there, children. Here the question is 2p plus 3q. So this will be 3q into 4p square, that is 3 4s are 12 p square q plus 12 3s are 36 p q square plus 3 is here, 3 9s are 27 p q to the power of 3. Then like terms if we have to add 8p cube as it is, 24 p square q plus 12 p square q will be 36 p square q, 18 pq square and 36 pq square will be 54 pq square plus 27 q cube as it is. LHS is the question. Consider and substitute wherever we have p as 1 by 2 and q as 1 by 3. We get 2 1s are get cancelled here. 3 1s are 3 1s are. In place of p you have to substitute 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Here 1 by 3 whole square. Here we are left with the, I am going to do here only, children, because 4 into 1 by 4, and then plus 12 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Then you have 9 into 1 by 3 to the power of 2 is 9. Here 9 ones are get cancelled. You are left with only 1 here. And then 2 into 3 is 6. 6 twos are 12. So 2 I write here. Here 4 ones are 4 ones are. 1 ones are 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 into 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 twos are 8. Our RHS is the answer after we simplify we get, and substitute the value of P as 1 by 2 and Q as 1 by 3. Here 1 by 2 to the power of 3, which is 1 by 8. 1 by 2 to the power of 2 is 1 by 4. 1 by 3 as it is. 54 into 1 by 2. 1 by 3 whole square is 1 by 9. Plus 27 into 1 by 3 whole cube is 1 by 27. Cancellation. 8 ones are 8 ones are. 4 threes are 12 children. 12 threes are 36. Then we have 9 twos are 18. 18 threes are 54. Here 27 ones are 27 ones are. You are left with 1 plus 3 ones are 3. Then again 3 is only left here, plus 1 is left. 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we have verified. Question number, we are doing 6th main, 5th part. M square plus mn plus n square into m minus n. First binomial, then trinomial I take. First term into second bracket minus second term into second bracket. M into m square m cube plus m square n plus mn square. Minus you have outside the term, so all will be in minus only, because inside we have only plus. M square n minus mn square minus n to the power of 3. Here m square n minus m square n, mn square minus mn square get cancelled. M cube minus n cube is left children. LHS if I consider, here in place of m you have to substitute 4 and in place of n 3. 4 square is 16, 4 3s are 12, 3 square is 9. 4 minus 3 will be 1. You have to add these all, we get 37. Right side we have m cube minus n cube, 4 cube minus 3 cube, which is 64 minus 27 is 37. LHS is equal to RHS. Question number 7 children, simplify. Here we need to only simplify the given algebraic expression. 3x square into 3y square plus 2. Monomial with binomial minus monomial with binomial plus monomial with binomial. We get 13x square y square plus 5x square minus 2y square. We know how to simplify. In 6th main we have learnt it easily. Here we have binomial and minus again a binomial. Binomial with binomial we know how to multiply. We get 10x square plus 18x plus 35x plus 63 minus 4x cube plus 12x square minus 1x plus 3. Here like terms we have to add children. We get, because only minus 4x cube is there, one time it will write here. 10x square plus 12x square is 22x square. 18x 35x minus 1x will be 52x plus 63 plus 3 is 66 children. Third main we have trinomial and binomial. First we write binomial, then trinomial plus binomial with the binomial. We get 3y to the power of 4 minus 20y cube plus 13y square plus 16y minus 8. Once you check by solving children, we get we know how to simplify. We have learnt in the previous main. Now we will go for 8th main. Find the HCF of the terms in the expression. Here are the terms. We have to take them separately and find the factors. We get the HCF as 3ab square. Then we have 9th main, factorize children. Factorization means taking out the common factor. Here ab square and minus ab I write group them, and minus bc square and plus c square, I group them. Here in these two, ab is common, take it out, b minus 1 minus c square is common, take it out, b minus 1. In these two, the binomial is common, take it outside, ab minus c square. Then second part, 4 into p plus q into 3a minus b plus 6 into p plus q into 2b minus 3a. By reading you can learn that in 4 and 6 we have 2 common and p plus q is common in both the terms. Here you can write 4 as 2 into 2, 6 as 2 into 3. Children, you will come to know which is common here. So 2 is common and p plus q is common. I keep it outside together, and what is left? 2 into 3a minus b plus 3 into 2b minus 3a. After we write this, we have to multiply the inside numbers which are inside the brackets. 6a minus 2b plus 6b minus 9a. Like terms, 6a and minus 9a is minus 3a and 6b minus 2b is 4b. This is the final answer, children. Third part is axy plus bc xy minus az minus bcz. Here, while grouping, let me underline, we get xy is common into a plus bc minus z is common a plus bc. The final answer, we take out the binomial outside, a plus bc into what is left, xy minus z. Hence, we have solved the brain teasers from second main to ninth main. Enrichment question is only for understanding children. We will also learn this in higher classes. Sum of first n natural number is given by the expression n square plus n by 2. For example, if we want the sum of first 5 natural numbers, like natural number starts from 1, first 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I add, instead of adding, if you substitute or use this formula n square plus n by 2, we get directly 15. In the same way, sum of first 7 natural numbers means 1 to 7, we get 28. You can write down sum of first 10 natural numbers. But 10 means here in place of n we have to substitute 10. We get 10 square plus 10 by 2. 100 plus 10 by 2. 110 by 2, which is 55. So sum of first 10 natural numbers will be 55. You can do this for many other numbers. So hope you understood well, children. Thank you, children.